Mr. Seungwan Shin had a flight over Gili Trawangan at June 12, 2026 with DJI Air 3S. Let's soar into the sky. Thanks for watching. I'm your Shinny.